In this class, let us see how purchase order and sales orders are prepared. Whenever we are buying any raw material from the vendor, first we have to prepare a purchase order and send that purchase order to the concerned vendor. After that, we are preparing the purchase based on their purchase order. In order to create purchase order and sales order, we have to prepare sundry debtors and sundry creditors. So let us create Ramnath under sundry debtors. Gururaj under sundry creditors. Press escape, go back. Under inventory voucher, select purchase order. Now we are going to prepare the purchase order. For that, we have to select the party account name. Click the space bar. Select Gururaj. Then give the order number. This is purchase order number. Select purchase from here. Select the items, stock items, lava, quantity 20, rate will come automatically. Save it. Now go back and make the purchase. For that, go to accounting voucher, select purchase from here, select party name, Gururaj. Here, we can see under order number 01. Here we can see the order number 01. Select that. 01 is the number which we have given to the purchase order we just made. Select end of the list. Select here C. Data will come automatically. Quantity 20, rate 1000. Then select it. Save it. Escape. Let us make one more purchase order. For that, go to inventory voucher. Select purchase order from here. If the name of the party, Gururaj, then give the order number 04. Select purchase from here. From here, we have to select the product, Microsoft. From here, if we want, we can select the go down. Go down calculate, we have selected. Give the quantity 25. Rate will come automatically, which we have assigned earlier. Then, after giving appropriate narration, save it. Then escape, go to display. Here go to statement of inventory. From there, go to purchase order summary. You can see one purchase order is pending, mobile phone, Microsoft. If you drill down again, you can see the name of the party, quantity, rate. Full detail you can see it here. Go back by pressing escape. Then let us make the purchase. For that, we have to go back to accounting voucher. Select purchase from here. Give the name of the party, Gururaj. See, here 04, which is the number we have given to the purchase order we just made. Select it. What will happen if we select it? Data will come automatically. Select purchase from here. See, all the data is here. It came automatically. 25, quantity, rate, amount, everything is there. Select everything from here. Then save it. Press escape, go back, go to the display and see under statement of inventory, under purchase order summary, you can see the purchase order which we saw earlier is not visible here. That is because we made purchase based on that purchase order. Now let us go back and see how sales order and sales is made. For that, go to inventory voucher, select sales order. Here we have to select the party, sundry debtors that we have made here, Ramnath. Then press enter, give an order number 7, sales, select here, name of the item, select here. Here, give the quantity, rate, save it, escape, display, go to statement of inventory, sales order summary. We can see here one sales order is pending, Micromax. Press escape, go to accounting voucher to make the sales based on that sales order. Click sales, select the party, Ramnath. Here under order you can see 07. This is the number we have assigned to the sales order we just created. Select that one. Sales, you see the data is here automatically. The data which we have given in the sales order is present here. We have to simply save it. Now press escape and go to display and see under sales order summary, that sales order is no more visible. That is because we made sales out of that sales order. Hope you understood what is purchase order and what is sales order.